In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your location on your optimization for your posts in order to maximize views for your channels. The location is to be filled or left blank. Here's the reason why. When it is filled and a particular location is selected, it has advantages. The question is, will you get results? Yes, you will get results. But in the future, is the result continuous? Is it something that would keep on coming, or something that you keep on seeing the results? Alright, so while using the location function on your videos, you have to take note of some certain things. You have to note that, for example, I am in Nigeria and I select Nigeria as a location. What I have just told YouTube is that this particular video is meant for this particular region or for Nigerians. And that is why in your analytics you start seeing things like audience. You now be seeing the name of your country. Alright. And what is the long run disadvantage? The long run disadvantage is this: advertisers in third world countries, when you eventually get monetized, pay less, compared to advertisers from advanced or foreign countries like the US, the UK, and others. So disadvantage is that your video or content is not pushed to this particular audience. If you've mistakenly been adding location, fine. That's the reason why you are seeing this particular video, to make a correction. This is what happens when you don't select a particular location. YouTube sends or pushes your video to a wider and a bigger audience. Let me tell you how it works. I tried this in some of my videos. Immediately I created this particular channel, and each time I check on the audience section, I always see Nigeria, because I always select Nigeria. But the moment I stopped selecting location, lo and behold, my videos started going worldwide, viral. I started seeing countries like UK, US, France, Italy, and others. And these are countries that they have good advertisers that pay very well. And this is what I have tried on my channel, and I just saw the results. I saw that each time you select a location, YouTube pushes your video to that particular audience, and each time you do not select a particular location, it pushes your content towards a broader audience. So guys, please take note of this particular thing, and go and correct it on your channel. So here is a screen recording, and I'll be using this screen recording to actually explain the intricacies that abound in selection of location while you are posting your video. Alright, follow me, let's go to the screen recording now. So guys, if you watch, I want to show you how it works, and I'll be using one of my videos. Alright, for example, this video, how to start a gaming channel with no money. Alright, so that was the title of that particular video. So I'll be using this video to show you something. In this particular video, when I posted it, in my previous videos, I've been adding location. So I have to go back and remove all the location in all my videos. So this particular video was the one I posted after I posted the rest. And in this video, I didn't add location. And lo and behold, this video made my channel to start getting a wider reach. So no money, start now. So, and how will I see that? I can only see and check that from. So for example, let me just first of all show you how the location stuff work. Alright, so for example, I want to add a location. I type in Nigeria. You see that my location will appear. That's the name of my country. I will just select done. As you can see, Nigeria. So I'll select, and then I'll select done.
done. Alright, so I'll then select that particular location now, and it will appear in the post upload optimization. That is this section. I think you know this section now. What you normally see when you upload. That's as it is now. Now, if you post like this video will be pushed to more of Nigerians. But when I remove it, the video will be pushed to a wider audience. So this is how it works, guys. Right, so now let's go and see the details of my audience. You will now see that after I posted that video, the next time I was checking my analytics, I was seeing a different thing entirely. Instead of my audience just being limited to Nigeria, my audience, other countries, YouTube now starts pushing my video to other countries. Another notification I even got from YouTube is that people are loving your videos. There are people from Poland, people from Indonesia. In fact, I saw US, I saw UK, in one particular video that the video it was pushed to UK, US. You can see the whole stuff. So popular with your viewers, okay, with new viewers, popular with casual viewers, popular with regular viewers, okay. Not this is not the one we are going to. Let's go to the people that are actually the countries, inside the devices, age, and see all my video is being watched by all age categories now as I speak. All age categories are watching my videos, even as far as 65 and above. Can you see it? So this is a positive sign. More of males. At a point, females were winning at a point, but I just one video yesterday just made males started winning. So females, so you can see the three main locations: India, Indonesia, Algeria. You can see it, not even Nigeria, my country, and that's because I didn't have location. But here is a fuller and a broader view. You can see Indonesia, Algeria, Nigeria, United States. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is amazing. Indonesia, Algeria, Nigeria, United States, Uzbekistan, Ukraine, Brazil, Italy, Germany. Can you see? I think that's the last location, Germany. You see that because I didn't select location, YouTube is now pushing my videos. It may take time for the video to get views, but you know. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you a broader view of the audience. India, Indonesia, Algeria, Nigeria, United States, Uzbekistan, Ukraine, Brazil, Italy, Germany. And that was because I didn't select location. You can see that my video is now pressing and pushing to a wider audience. It may take time to get views, but just be patient and you're going to be amazed by this result. Just go and try it out on your channel next time you are posting. You will notice a reduced view, but later on it will peak. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next post.